Alright, so now we're finished. Okay, now we're finished with the blending and we are going to strain off the passion fruit. We are going to strain off the passion fruit juice. Alright, Lisha, let me get a close up. Go and do your thing. Go and do your thing. Yes, if you ever know all this passion, all the juice, it just smells so good. It really, really smells good. So see there, the ginger turn up in there. Let me give you one spoon. The ginger turn up in there, good. Same so.
You just have to take time.
You just have to take your time and make it go and run through. And so you go in with the blend and strain. You know, you just have to make it. It will run out though. Be patient, guys. It will run out. See it there? See it there? Let me give a close up. See it? See how you look down the bottom?
Rich.
Yeah, man. The one. Once upon a time, back in the days when my grandma used to make passion fruit juice, and with a strain, we never used to have strainer. Like me say, we are country girl, we never used to have strainer, so we used to get the stocking foot. I don't know if you remember the stocking foot or the baby nappy, the white, you know, nappy, where you used to pin on the baby bottom. And we'd use it for strain up with passion fruit, or strain up with soursop juice, or strain up with carrot juice. We never used to have strainer. And it come out good. Yes, it come out good. Yeah, guys, but you know, this is our first video. We have plenty more video to come because, you know, we are girls we are women who know how to cook. We know about the kitchen well. So, you know, just stay tuned and we see some more video. The cooking part, the curry goat, the oxtail, the baking. Even today we do some ackee and salt mackerel, but we never did that thing. But nothing happened before the time anyhow. So maybe the next video, you know, see we post, it will be something to do with cooking. So now we see with cooking skills and all that stuff. Yeah, but right now, this is the one of the ways you can make the Jamaican passion fruit. With a twist, a little prune juice. Alright?
So we're just going to get a glass.
Now we are going to get with glass. Put little ice in it. Put little ice in it. But let me give you a close up. See? You know, see the difference? See when you see when you strain it? Yep. This is how it is. That are the seed and, you know, any little thing else we did in there that in this strainer. So now we get with glass. Now we are going to put some, we're going to put some in it. Look at the color, guys. Look at the color. Ooh, nice. Like I said, this is the three different passion fruit. Put it on. 3 different passion fruit. Look at it, guys. Yeah. Where's Alicia? Taste up now and tell the people them. Alright, what you say? Yes.
I feel like I'm at home.
Yes. This definitely something back home.
So good.
Alright, guys, so like I said, this is our first video. And you know, as we grow the thing, we set a different way. So no watch no face. Goodbye. I'll talk to you guys soon. Alright, where's Alicia?
Till next time.
Alright.